Good morning to everyone. I am Kushi S, studying in 10th standard. Now I am here to tell about the Hiroshima Day. 79 years ago, on a morning of August, the world witnessed a profound silence followed by an unimaginable explosion. Hiroshima, a city vibrant with life and culture, were suddenly transformed. Today, we are gathered to commemorate Hiroshima Day is observed on 6th of August every year. It was United States which dropped an atomic bomb on the city of Japanese Hiroshima on 6th August 1945. During the course of Second World War, 20,000 soldiers was dead and about 70 to 1,20,000 civilians. A similar bomb was dropped on another city of Japanese Nagasaki. 3 days later, this was led to 80,000 deaths. This was the first and only instance of usage of nuclear weapon in the world. The US had been developing nuclear weaponry through the Manhattan Project since 1940, especially after receiving information about Nazi of Germany was also involved in such research. By August, this project was developed. The army had created a separate unit in 1944 called the 509th Composite Group in order to operationalize the nuclear weapons of usage in the war. After shortlisting 5 targets, the target committee selected Nagasaki and Hiroshima because of their importance, military forces and industries. On 6 August, the US Army bomber named B-29, the Little Boy, dropped on Hiroshima. Little Boy was the code name for the atomic bomb which was dropped on Hiroshima, which was a uranium gun type bomb. The war led to the deaths of so many people due to the radiation sickness, wounds and burns. Although most of the victims were civilians, so many personnel armies were killed. The plutonium implosion was type bomb that was dropped on Nagasaki, a fat man. On 15th August 1945, Japan was surrendered to the Allies. The war was officially ended on 2nd September when Japan signed to the surrender instrument. The explosion attacked people was called Hibakusha. The use of atomic bombs by the US led to the Soviet Union starting its nuclear weapons program. As we commemorate the bombing on Nagasaki and Hiroshima, let's remember what a nuclear bomb can do and pledge to work together to make sure that no other cities suffer the same pain. Thank you one and all for giving this opportunity to tell about the importance of this day.